Razor Hybrid is a lightweight solution. Install the admin, server, and client applications directly on your desktop. No need for a separate server. Start with default forms and workflows and customize. System requirements vary for Windows and Linux servers. Ensure adequate disk space and separate Git repository drives. Download Razor admin tools, server software, and client software. Ensure Git and MariaDB are installed for full functionality. Begin installation by downloading Git and MariaDB. Install Git first, keeping the default settings. For MariaDB, create a separate database directory. Enable access and use UTF-8 as the character set. Ensure MariaDB instance properties are correctly set. Install as a service and enable networking. Proceed to install the Razor Administration Tool, accepting the license agreement. During Razor Administration Tool installation, leave default settings unchanged. Click Next to proceed. This ensures a smooth setup process. Confirm installation settings and proceed. Configure the Razor Hybrid database with local settings. The tool is now ready for installation. Click Next to continue. Installation is complete. An icon will appear on your desktop. Double-click to begin the final installation phase, ensuring all components are correctly configured. Upon first launch, complete initial database configuration. Install the master Razor account for server-client communication. Enter the root password for MariaDB to proceed. Finalize database configuration by entering the root password. Create an administrative account for the Razor Administration Tool. This account is essential for tool access. Set up the Razor Administrator account. Ensure login and password meet security requirements. This login is necessary for each tool use. Choose the appropriate Razor Hybrid license tier. Evaluation licenses are available for new users, providing 60 days of access with 25 license tokens. Request an evaluation license by filling out the form. Send the request via email. Upon receipt, install the provided keys to activate your license tier. Log into the Razor Administrator to add licenses. Ensure host ID matches the email. Enter the keys to unlock the administration tool to your license tier. Use the administration tool by logging in with your credentials. Manage licensing and encryption settings to ensure secure and compliant operations. Configure encryption to secure communications. Currently, 128-bit encryption is standard. Future updates will enhance security with 192-bit and 256-bit options. Set a secure passkey for encryption. Use a random set of characters for maximum security. This ensures data protection during communications. Configure user authentication methods. Options include MariaDB, LDAP, and single sign-on. Manage user access effectively to maintain security. Select an authentication method. Options include local databases and LDAP. Test connections to ensure proper configuration and access. Set or reconfigure server IP addresses. Assign a descriptive server name for user recognition. This aids in efficient server management. All steps for Razor Hybrid administration are complete. For questions, contact Visible Systems Corporation. Thank you for your attention.